So hi everyone. Today I'm going to install this Fedora Cosmic on VMware, and I will explore it and we'll see how it looks, how much time it takes to install it in VM, how much resources it uses while installation or in the beginning, and we'll also explore the different applications or different options that we get while installation and so. Sorry about that, and we'll see. We'll explore it very properly. Okay, so let's start. So basically, for the Fedora Cosmic Spin, it's a desktop environment from System 76. It's a modern desktop featuring advanced functionality and responsive design with optional auto tiling. Newly opened window arrange themselves in a grid. Basically, this is all about it. Basically, this is also good for gaming. So, in the last three videos that I had made, it was all based on the Linux distribution that are good for a gaming purpose. So, this is also in that list, and I'm going to install it and explore it. So, let's start. So, this is where you can download it from. You can go here, download, and Intel 86 and 64 system. You can download this ISO. For ARM processors. You can download from here. Okay. This also will create ISO. If you want to install it directly on machine, you will need to create a bootable USB or bootable CD. Nowadays, no one, most of them not using CD. So you will have to make a bootable USB for which you can use this. Okay, Fedora Media Writer, Fedora Media Writer. This is for Windows and Mac, and this is for Linux. Okay, so these are all about it. So I have already downloaded it. So let's start installing it. So let's go new virtual machine. Let's close this first. I'll close all this. I have these many VMs installed. File, new VM, next, select ISO, browse, and here I have downloaded it. Next, Fedora, it's identified it. So Fedora, I'll just add Fedora. Next, I'll give someone more disk. I'll give it 25 GB. Okay. Next, I'll give, I'll increase the memory. So nowadays in many system by default 16 GB is coming. So I'll assign 16 GB. Processor, I'll give 2 plus 3. I'll give 6 processors. Okay. I'll let everything else. Network, I'll put it breezed. Okay, add anything, no need to add. Okay, so these all things you can add like CD drive, floppy drive, network adapter, USB controller, sound card, parallel. These things you can add, but I don't need it now, so I'll close it. Close. So configuration done. I have assigned the memory to 16 GB and 6 CPU cores and 25 GB of disk space. So let's finish this. So this will power on. Yes. Hmm. Okay, so this started. Start Fedora Cosmic. So we'll also see how much time it will take. I'll put timer. Timer. Okay, 1 minute. No, 10 minutes. I'll put 10 minutes. Okay, I'll make it smaller. Okay, okay. This is going on. So let's see. I hope it should complete in 10 minutes. Okay, okay. This has started. That's great. This is a good interface. I'll close this sidebar. Okay, so this is a good interface. So by default, this comes. I'll see what to do. So this is the option which is coming as install to hard drive. Okay, so we'll see it. So we'll start installation. So this is how it comes. Okay, double clicked it. Okay, so okay, so it has started. Good. It has given some error, unable to create PID file, Anaconda unable to create where run Anaconda PID because the file already is okay. I think I have clicked it 2 times, so that's why it's giving error. What I'll do, okay, quit. It has automatically identified that I am from India, so it is giving option in Hindi. Okay. I double clicked again. That's my bad. Okay. So for now, I'll choose English. Where is it? English. Okay. I've chosen English. India English. Continue. Keyboard. It's just like Fedora or Open CentOS or Linux one. So this again, select the disk. Okay. Automatic partition. Okay. And here done should be here. Okay. Done. So this is done. Root account. Disable root account. If you want, you can have a root account. You can disable it, but I'll have it. So okay. So I have just enabled the root account. Okay, and everything is done. This is fine. Network connected is done. User creation. I'll create my username. JSHWT. Okay. Okay. This is done. Since I'm using weak password, it's asked me to click 2 times. You can use your password. Begin installation. So installation has basically started now. So let's see and wait how much time basically it takes. So installation is started at I think 7:10. Basically, okay, it's decreasing. So let's see, is she awake? Okay, close. Keep on top. Okay, so I'll keep it here. Basically, 10-minute installing software. Hope I could see the command in line, but I'm not able to see that. I cannot make it smaller also. If I can make it smaller or move it, I'm unable to move it. Basically, I don't know why. This installation window. Okay, let's see. I can make it sign. Okay, okay. So this 57% has been done within. I think it has only taken one minute for 64%. It is pretty fast. And also, I have given good amount of memory and good amount of processor, and also I have SSDs on my system, so that's why it will be fast. And if you do this installation directly on your machine, it will be faster than this, because this is VM, as you know. This is one layer top of the operating system, and it had to communicate through that, so it takes somewhat more time than the direct on the PC. Okay, great. The installation has been done. It's installing the bootloader. So after that, it will ask me to restart the system. Okay, we'll see. We'll wait for that. So Fedora is also a very good operating system. Basic, pretty clean and pretty responsive. You can use it as whichever. Actually, there are huge amount of like distros in Linux according to your requirement or according to specific area of work. You can choose that whichever you want. So once you start using it, you will understand its in and outs. Okay, how to do installation, how to install things, how to configure things. You will understand once you start using it. So basically, Linux earlier it was uh, thought of a kind of very tough, but nowadays the Linux companies who are responsible for bringing out the distributions, they're making it very easy to install and very easy to work. So it is not very tough as such, but because why we find window easier, because see, whatever we start with, we find it easier. So we generally start with Windows everywhere. So that's why you find it easy to install. If you start using Linux, it's very powerful operating system. It has a lot of utility inbuilt, lot of free softwares. You don't have to buy anything. So a lot of plus points are there. Windows also have a lot of things. So whichever you like, either you can dual boot your system or you can have Linux on your system. Okay, so installation is done. Finish installation. It took around 10. I have started, so 3 minutes, around 6 minutes. So installation would have taken less time than that. So it has installation is done. Basically, it has not asked me to restart, but to finish the installation, I'll restart it. Okay, restart, confirm. Okay, I'll restart. So basically, installation, if you are doing of this, it will be completed within 5 minutes maximum. You have everything ready. So this is how the Fedora boot up screen looks. Okay. Mhm. Okay. So this is how it looks. Login screen. Okay. So I gave the wrong password. That's why it's coming. Okay. So this is how you look. Workspace. You can add, remove workspace, applications. Okay. This is not going automatically. This should go. This I think kind of works. See if you click here. If I click here, it is not going. It should go. Okay. Okay. Fedora applications. So these are the application: Cosmic Media Player, Cosmic Setting. These are the things you can see: Office, System, Utilities, and you can add group. Okay. You can add your own group and add things to that group. Okay. So I'll see settings, Cosmic settings. So these are basic setting: network related, VPN, Bluetooth related, accessibility, desktop related, wallpaper. You can change. I'll give you one wallpaper. This one good wallpaper. Wow, that's so good. I'll give this wallpaper. Which you are not. It's all like related to the appearance, display. This you can change the resolution, sound, power, battery, input. So these are the settings. You can explore it. This is launcher. So notepad, something you can type and you can start it from here. This one is workspace. Okay. This one is again application. This should go basically. See, if I'm clicking here and clicking here, this is not automatically going. Basically, it should go. I should not have clicked here. It's fine, but see, here I'm clicking, it's not going. It should go automatically. Okay. So this one. Okay. This one, the application manager here. From here also can do. You can from here also you can open. Okay. This is Fedora. This is file manager. Okay. This is good interface. Just look like Windows. So people who like Windows, you can. It will be easy for you to use. Okay. And then you have this notepad, taking notes. Discard. This is terminal. Hi. Echo. Echo. Hi. Okay. Like this, you can use it. Terminal. This one is. Okay. So this one is software center. You can install softwares from here. Okay. All these softwares you can install like this. Okay. And this one is setting. I think. Okay. So this all completes. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Within 10 minutes, in fact, within 5 to 7 minutes, installation is done. Exploration is done. Let's explore it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.